Welcome to my channel. So today we are making Nigerian yam porridge. Very delicious, very tasty and very yummy. Enjoy this video. I'll be making use of 1 whole tuber of yam for this Nigerian yam porridge. Cut according to the size you want your yam porridge to be. So this is how I do mine. So let's begin. So after peeling the yam, wash the yam thoroughly. I'm going to cut the yams into little pieces because I don't want my yam porridge size to be big. I don't like the yam sizes to be big, so I'm going to cut it in a similar size. You can cut it in any type of shape you want, be it rectangular, triangular, or any kind of shape you want. Just make sure they are similar in size so that they can cook evenly. Okay, that's just the deal here. So for my next video we'll be gisting, because I know that when you are cooking, if you have a gisting partner close by, it makes the cooking go very smooth and fast. So from my next video we'll be gisting, we'll be talking about things happening around us, you know, any gossip, any gist that is relevant. Presently I'm in Nigeria, so we can talk about things happening in Nigeria. I know you guys will enjoy that. I mean, I like gist, so it's going to make this cooking section and cooking tutorial very lively. You can drop gist in the comment section that we can discuss in our next video. Okay, the next parts of this yam porridge is I'm going to show you the tatashe I'll be using. I'm going to blend the tatashe with onions. I'm going to use it for the yam porridge. I'll be making use of tatashe, is also called bell peppers. If for people that don't know, the English name is bell pepper, but this one is a bit peppery. It's not like the sweet capsicum, you know. This one is a bit peppery. So I'm going to blend it with the onion. You can actually chop it instead of blending it, but in my own case I decided to blend it.